Hi, I'm Ken.
And I'm Nancy.
We talk about fun, everyday, fascinating topics in English.
Anytime, anywhere.
Your new favorite English podcast. Let's get into it.
日常英語ラボ
Okay, so I gotta tell you about my week.
Uh-oh. What happened?
Nothing bad. You know how I said I was gonna go running every morning?
Oh, right. The big plan. You even bought new shoes.
New shoes, a new app. I even put a calendar on my wall to check off every day.
Wow. So how many days did you run?
3.
3 days a week? That's okay.
No, 3 days total. And then I stopped.
Okay. So what happened on day 4?
It rained, so I skipped it. And then, somehow I just never went back.
Oh.
And the weird thing is, I really wanted to do it. I just didn't.
Okay, I have to tell you something. Don't laugh.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
2 years ago, I decided I was going to learn guitar.
You have a guitar?
I have a beautiful guitar. It's been sitting in my closet since February of that year.
So you played it for...
Like 2 weeks, and then I just stopped, same as you.
See? So it's not just me.
It's not just you. And that's my point. Everybody's got a story like this.
Everybody?
Everybody, which is kind of strange, right? We want to do these things. We're not lazy people.
Right? It feels like it should be easy. Just do it every day. How hard can it be?
Right? But somehow, it never is.
So that's what I want to figure out today. Why is it so hard, and what actually works?
Ooh, good one. Okay, let's find out. 日常英語ラボ Okay, so first, why is it hard? The answer kind of surprised me.
Tell me.
Most people think it's about willpower.
Willpower. Like how strong your mind is, just pushing through.
Right. Like if you fail, you're just weak. You didn't try hard enough.
I mean, yeah, that's what I thought. Like, I guess I'm just bad at this.
Right, but I don't think that's the whole story. And when you hear the rest of it, it feels a lot better.
Okay, make me feel better.
So, think about the first time you drove a car.
Oh, scary. I had to think about everything. The mirror, the wheel, my feet, the other cars, all at once.
Right, it took your whole brain. But what about now?
Now, I don't even think about it. I just drive. Sometimes I get home like, wait, how did I get here?
Yes! That's it! That's the whole thing, right there.
What is?
When you do something again and again, your brain turns it into one automatic move. It saves it, like a little shortcut. So your brain doesn't have to think about it anymore.
A shortcut. Okay, I like that.
And it's a really smart idea. Think about it. If you had to think hard about walking or brushing your teeth, you'd be so tired by 9 a.m.
True.
Can you think of anything like that? Something you do without thinking?
Oh, walking to work. Sometimes I get there and I don't remember the walk at all.
Right? Same route, same corners. Your feet just know it.
Or brushing my teeth. I couldn't tell you which side I start on.
Exactly. You've done it 10,000 times, so your brain stopped watching. It's on autopilot.
So the shortcut is a good thing.
It's a great thing when it's a good habit. But your brain makes shortcuts for the bad ones, too.
Oh, like grabbing snacks the second I sit on the couch.
Perfect example. Does that feel like a choice?
No, it just happens. I sit down and suddenly there's chips.
Right. It doesn't even feel like a choice anymore. It's a shortcut. Something turns it on. The couch, the time, a feeling, and it just runs before you even think.
So the couch is like a button, and sitting down presses it.
The couch is a button. I love that. And it's not just the couch. Think about your phone.
Oh no.
You feel it buzz. Or you're just a little bored, and your hand's already moving.
I don't even decide to check it. I'm just suddenly holding it.
That's a button too. Being bored is a button. Waiting for the bus is a button.
Okay, that's a little scary.
And here's why this matters for your running. When you fight a habit with willpower, you're fighting that shortcut every single time.
And I can't win every time.
Yeah, that's the thing. Nobody wins every time. You're trying to stop an automatic habit with willpower all day. Of course you get tired. Of course you don't make it out on a rainy morning.
Huh. So it was never about being strong enough.
Not really. Your brain just followed the shortcut. That's not weak. That's just how brains work.
Okay, that does make me feel better.
Good, because now we can stop fighting and do what actually works.
Which is?
You don't fight the shortcut. You set things up so it works for you. Less willpower. A little more planning.
Okay, teach me the planning.
日常英語ラボ
Okay, 4 simple things. And none of them need willpower.
My favorite kind of thing.
Number 1, make an if-then plan.
If-then. Like if this, then that?
Exactly. Don't just say, I'll run more. That's not a real plan. Say, if it's 7 a.m., then I put on my shoes and go for a run.
Oh, so I say exactly when and exactly what.
Exactly when, exactly what. Before it happens.
Why is that better?
Because you already decided. When 7 a.m. comes, there's no fight in your head. No, maybe later. It just goes.
Oh, that's smart. So I'm not fighting myself at 7 a.m. half asleep.
Right. You decide when you're strong, so you don't have to decide when you're weak.
I like that a lot.
And you can use it for anything. If I finish dinner, then I wash the dishes right away. If I sit down on the train, then I open my English app.
Or a podcast, maybe?
Or a podcast, whatever's handy.
Just saying.
Okay, number 2.
Number 2.
Change your setup. Make the good thing easy and the bad thing annoying.
Annoying how?
Okay, you eat too many chips on the couch, right? So don't keep them on the counter where you see them. Put them away in the back of a high shelf.
So when I want chips, it's a whole thing.
It's a whole thing. And a lot of the time, that's enough. You just go, never mind.
Just because they're hard to reach.
Just because they're hard to reach. Same with your phone. If you keep it next to your bed, you'll scroll before you sleep. Every night.
So charge it in another room?
Charge it in another room. Now going to get it is a whole thing. Most nights, you won't.
Sneaky. I like it.
And you do the opposite for good habits. You want to run in the morning? Put your shoes and clothes right next to your bed, the night before.
So I see them the second I wake up.
You wake up and they're right there. Pretty hard to ignore.
Future Ken is going to thank me for this.
Be nice to future Ken. He's got a lot on his plate.
He really does.
Oh, and this works for my guitar too, by the way.
Right, it's in the closet.
It's in the closet, behind a coat, in a case, with the zipper closed.
You built a fortress. So if you just put it out on a stand...
Then I probably pick it up. Yeah, I should do that, honestly.
Okay, number 3.
Number 3, start small. And I mean really small, almost embarrassingly small.
How small?
You want to start exercising? Don't say 30 minutes, say 1 minute, or just 1 push-up.
1 push-up? That's nothing.
That's the point. It's so small, you can't talk yourself out of it. No time for 30 minutes. Okay, fair. But 1 push-up? You've got time for 1 push-up.
I can't argue with 1 push-up.
Nobody can. And here's the fun part. Once you're down there, you usually think, might as well do a few more. The hard part was starting.
So for my running, instead of run 5K,
Say, put on my shoes and walk to the corner. That's it. That's the whole goal.
And then I'll probably keep going.
Usually, yeah. But even if you don't, you still win. You showed up.
Huh. So the goal isn't to do a lot, it's just to keep coming back.
That's it. That's the real goal.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4 is a little bonus. Be nice to yourself right away. Give yourself a small reward now, not someday.
Why now?
Because getting fit in 6 months feels so far away. It's hard to get excited about that, right? So give yourself something good today.
Like what?
After your run, you get your favorite coffee. Or you check off that calendar on your wall, which, by the way, is actually a great idea.
Wait, really? My sad little calendar?
Your sad little calendar was doing something right. You get to feel good today. In 6 months, I'll be fit. That doesn't feel like anything right now. But a check mark? That feels like something.
Ooh, I can bribe myself. I can do that.
That's the whole idea. You're being nice to yourself, not fighting yourself.
Okay, I gotta go back to something. My running. I missed one day, and I just quit. Like it was over.
Yeah, and you know the saddest part? You didn't have to.
What do you mean?
Missing one day doesn't break anything. At all. One rainy morning was never gonna ruin it.
Wait, really? Because it felt like, well, I broke the streak, so it's done.
I know, so many people feel that. I missed once, so what's the point? But that's the mistake.
So the problem wasn't the rainy day.
Skipping one rainy morning was fine. The problem was quitting after that.
Oh, come on.
I know.
So if I just went out again on day 5,
You'd probably still be running right now.
man, nobody told me that.
Well, I'm telling you now. Miss a day? No big deal. Just don't let one miss turn into 10. And honestly, I did the exact same thing with the guitar. I missed a few days, felt bad about it, and then I never opened the case again.
So we both quit over nothing.
We both quit over nothing.
日常英語ラボ
Okay, let's put it all together. Ken, why is it so hard to change a habit?
Because it's not just willpower. My brain turns things into automatic shortcuts. So fighting them all day doesn't work.
Exactly. So we stop fighting and set things up smarter. Number 1,
Make an if-then plan. If it's 7 a.m., then I go for a run. Exactly when, exactly what.
2,
Change my setup. Good thing easy, bad thing annoying. Shoes by the bed, chips in the back of the shelf, phone in another room.
3,
Start really small, 1 push-up, or just walk to the corner.
4,
Be nice to myself. A small reward now, not someday.
and the big one, the one I want everybody to hear.
Miss a day? It's fine. The goal isn't to never miss. The goal is to come back.
There it is. That's the whole episode, honestly.
Look at us. We just fixed our own lives.
Let's not get carried away.
Okay, but seriously, I'm going to try again. Tonight, I put my shoes right by the bed.
And if it rains on day 4,
I go again on day 5.
there it is.
What about you? The guitar?
I'm taking it out of the closet tonight.
Yes. Okay. Day 1 for both of us.
Day 1. Anyway, that's it for today.
日常英語ラボ
Thanks for listening to our whole conversation, all the way to the end.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe.
It really keeps us going. Bye.
Bye!